Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 7. This is your science lecture. Today's our topic is about dispersion of light. Unit number is 10. This is the title page of your amazing science book for class 7. Topic is dispersion of light. Here students, we have this picture. Look at this picture. It shows the refraction is the bending of light. So here it is bending. So this is the refraction. First of all, light waves travel at a speed of about 300,000 kilometers in air, but they slow down when they enter another transparent material such as water or glass. So students, in the first paragraph he is telling you that light waves, जो रोशनी की लहरें हैं, रोशनी की वेव्स हैं, लाइट वेव्स हैं, वो कितने स्पीड से ट्रेवल करती हैं? Their speed are 300,000 kilometers per second in the air. लेकिन ये स्लो डाउन हो जाती हैं जब वो एयर वाले मीडियम से किसी और मीडियम में एंटर होती हैं, लाइक वाटर और ग्लास. इफ अ रे ऑफ लाइट मीट्स द न्यू मटेरियल एट एन एंगल, इट बेंड्स. जब भी लाइट एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में एंटर होती है, एक मटेरियल से दूसरे मटेरियल में एंटर होती है, इट बेंड्स, वो बेंड हो जाती है. दिस बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्शन. इस बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट को हम लोग रिफ्रैक्शन कहते हैं, एज शोन इन दिस पिक्चर स्टूडेंट. सो हियर वी हैव एयर, हियर वी हैव दिस ब्लू पार्ट इज ग्लास एंड देन वी हैव एयर. सो व्हेन लाइट एंटर्स, light rays enters from air into glass, it bends like this. So the diagram shows that light entering a glass block bends towards the normal. This is because it slows down. As it leaves the glass, it speeds up again and so bends away from the normal. तो आप यहाँ से भी इसको ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, जब दोबारा ये ग्लास से एयर मीडियम में आएगी, it speeds up again. So the ray of light emerging from the block is parallel to the ray going on. What is refractive index? So students, here we have the formula for the refractive index, which is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in material. So we know that refraction occurs when light changes speed. The greater the change of speed, the greater the change of direction. जितनी ज़्यादा उसकी स्पीड होगी उतनी ही ज़्यादा वो अपनी डायरेक्शन को चेंज करेगी. So the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in material is called refractive index. So here we have the example. The refractive index of glass is 1.5 and you have to calculate the speed of light in glass. So refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light, speed in glass. So it is 300,000 in vacuum and it will divide it by 1.5, which is speed in glass. So answer will be 200,000. So table of refractive index of materials are: air, its refractive index is 1.00, water it's 1.33, glass it's 1.51. So here we have the laws of refraction. According to first law, the incident ray, refractive ray and the normal to the surface separating the two media at the point of incidence all lie at the same plane. Second law is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for a given pair of media. This law is also known as Snell's law. Next students, real and apparent depth. Real depth क्या होती है and apparent depth क्या होती है? Throw a coin in a tub of water. आपने एक tub of water में एक coin throw करना है, try to drop a stone on top it, और उसके टॉप पे आप coin के टॉप पे एक stone को ड्रॉप करने की कोशिश करें. What happens? क्या होगा? You never seem to actually hit the coin. आप कभी भी प्रॉपरली उस कॉइन को स्टोन से हिट नहीं कर सकेंगे. द कॉइन अपीयर्स क्लोजर दैट इट रियली इज. दिस हैपन्स बिकॉज लाइट बेंड्स एज इट पासिस फ्रॉम वन ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल टू अनदर. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि लाइट बेंड होती है जैसे ही वो एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में दाखिल होती है. सो हेयर वी हैव द ऑब्जर्वर. सो हेयर वी हैव द स्टोन, बट द इमेज ऑफ स्टोन will take place here. So a ray of light is always reflected in a definite direction. As light passes from water to air, it bends away from the normal. So here it is bending from the normal. So as light goes into a denser material, it bends towards the normal. What is critical angle, students? In the diagram you can see what happens when the angle of incidence inside a glass block increases from 35 to 50 degrees. कहता है जैसे कि इस डायग्राम में दिखाया गया है, you can see, आप देख सकते हैं what happens के क्या होगा when the angle of incidence inside a glass block increases. अगर यहाँ पे angle of incidence increase हो जाए 35 से 50 degrees पे, so most of the light gets out of the glass. तो ज़्यादा लाइट ग्लास से बाहर चली जाएगी with just a small part being reflected. But at about 42 degrees और 42 degrees एंगल के ऊपर the refractive ray just gets out of the block, but much more of the light is being reflected. And this is called the critical angle. इसको हम इसलिए critical angle का नाम देंगे. At angle greater than, ऐसा एंगल जो 42 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होगा, all the light is reflected, तमाम लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी. This is called the total internal reflection. So students, look at the first picture. Here we have the lamp. Here we have the refracted ray. So it is called the refracted ray. Here we have the lamp. Refracted ray, yes, at this angle it is totally reflected, and at this angle no reflection takes place. So different materials have different critical angles. Glass का critical angle 42 degrees है, water का 49 degrees, and of diamond is 24 degrees. Next students, we have using total internal reflection. हम टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं? ग्लास प्रिज्म्स कैन एक्ट लाइक परफेक्ट मिरर्स इफ लाइट रेज स्ट्राइक एन इनसाइड फेस एट एन एंगल ग्रेटर देन इट्स क्रिटिकल एंगल. जो ग्लास प्रिज्म होते हैं इस शेप के होते हैं हमारे पास लेबोरेटरी ग्लास प्रिज्म्स, वो एज ए परफेक्ट मिरर्स एक्ट कर सकते हैं इफ लाइट रेज स्ट्राइक एन inside face at an angle greater than its critical angle. So here we have total internal reflection. These glass prisms shows the total internal reflection. Optical fibers, students, here we have this picture of optical fibers which are using nowadays as a modern technology. Optical fibers are thin fibers of glass through which light can pass. बहुत थिन पतले फाइबर्स हैं ग्लास के बने हुए हैं जिसमें से लाइट पास हो सकती है. दे आर बंडल्ड टुगेदर एंड यूज्ड एज ए लाइट पाइप. ये इनके बंडल्स को यूज़ किया जाता है एक साथ लाइट पाइप के तौर पे. लाइट हिट्स द साइड्स ऑफ द फाइबर्स. लाइट हिट करती है फाइबर के साइड्स पे एट एन एंगल ग्रेटर देन द क्रिटिकल एंगल. किस एंगल से? जो क्रिटिकल एंगल से ज़्यादा है. ऑल द लाइट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड, तो इसलिए तमाम लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है एंड इमर्जेस फ्रॉम द अदर एंड एंड फाइबर्स ऑलमोस्ट एज ब्राइट एज व्हेन इट वेंट इन. सो ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स कैन बी यूज फॉर इंस्पेक्शन इनसाइड मशीन्स. मशीन्स के अंदर इंस्पेक्शन करने के लिए वेदर दे आर वर्किंग करेक्ट और नॉट, एंड इवन इनसाइड ए ह्यूमन बॉडी टू एग्जामिन. And optical fibers can carry coded signals and pulses of light from a laser. They can be changed into electrical signals at the receiving end. They are used to transmit telephone signals. All these are the different uses of optical fibers. So here students, we have the picture of periscope. The periscope uses total internal reflection inside triangular prisms. पेरिस्कोप के अंदर हमारे पास ट्रायंगुलर दो प्रिज्म्स होते हैं और ये टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन को यूज़ करती है. सम कैमराज आल्सो यूज प्रिज्म्स फॉर कैप्चरिंग इमेजेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑन फिल्म. कलर्स, व्हेन अ नैरो बीम ऑफ white light passes through a prism, जब भी एक नैरो बीम वाइट लाइट की पास होती है प्रिज्म से, दे स्प्लिट्स इनटू ऑल कलर्स ऑफ द रेनबो, वो रेनबो के कलर्स में स्प्लिट हो जाती है. सो द कलर्स एंटर द प्रिज्म टुगेदर बट आर बेंड at different angles by the glass. This effect is called dispersion. The range of colors is called a spectrum. So students, here we have the optical fiber, here we have the light ray. This part is called cladding. This is the plastic coating on it, and this internal part is called the core. Next we have the object to be seen here by using this periscope. Yes, here we have the plane mirror, here we have the wall. We can see any object on the other side of this wall by using this periscope. Here we have the plane mirror, here we have the plane mirror. This is called the periscope. Here the observer is, and the light rays pass through it, and we can see the objects like tree or any other thing on the other side of the wall. Next students, the different colors are actually light waves of different wavelengths. So here we have the glass prism. White light enters into the prism and splits into the spectrum of 7 colors. Red, blue and green are called the primary colors. By mixing any 2 primary colors, we get secondary colors. So here we have this table. Our eyes can only detect electromagnetic waves within a small range of frequencies. हमारी आंखें सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स को डिटेक्ट कर सकती हैं. इनफैक्ट आवर आइज कंटेन जस्ट 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कलर सेंसर्स. हमारी आंखों में सिर्फ 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कलर सेंसर्स मौजूद होते हैं. 1 टाइप रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू रेड लाइट, एक टाइप रेड लाइट को रिस्पॉन्ड करती है, दूसरी ग्रीन लाइट को, एंड थर्ड वन डिटेक्ट्स ओनली ब्लू लाइट. So if our eyes receive red, blue and green light, together we see white color. So here we have the colored objects: red light, red surface, blue light, no light is reflected. Magenta light is equal to red plus blue. Red surface, it reflects only red light, and like this in case of cane surface. So here red, yellow, green, white, magenta, cane, blue. By color mixing, we can get other colors or secondary colors. So secondary colors are made by mixing of 2 primary colors. Next students, objects appear colored because the materials that they are made of absorb some of the colors of the spectrum and reflect the rest. As a result, we only see the colors of the reflected lights. What are the pigments students? Chemical which reflect only certain colors. ऐसे chemicals जो सिर्फ कुछ colors को certain colors को reflect करते हैं are called the pigments. Paints, inks and colored crayons contain pigments. Paints के अंदर, ink के अंदर और colored crayons जिसको बच्चे यूज़ करते हैं for coloring purposes are called, उनके अंदर pigments मौजूद होते हैं. Petals and leaves of plants and skins of animals also contain pigments. There are 3 primary pigment colors. Pigment colors 3 primary होते हैं. 3 colors इसके primary colors होते हैं red, blue and yellow. By mixing them we can produce a wide range of colors. अगर हम इनको 3 colors को mix करें तो हमारे पास बाकी बहुत सारे colors आ सकते हैं. Filters. A filter is a piece of colored glass or plastic which allows some colors to pass through but filters out all the others. Filter एक ऐसा piece है हमारे पास जिसमें हम कलर्ड ग्लास का या प्लास्टिक का जो सिर्फ कुछ कलर्स को पास करने की इजाज़त देता है और बाकियों को फिल्टर आउट कर देता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अ रेड फिल्टर लेट्स रेड लाइट थ्रू बट ऑब्जर्व्स ग्रीन एंड ब्लू लाइट. जो रेड फिल्टर होता है वो रेड लाइट को पास करने की परमिशन देता है और बाकी कलर्स को, जैसे कि हमारे पास दूसरे कलर्स हैं ग्रीन और ब्लू, उनको ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है. सो फंक्शंस ऑफ पिगमेंट्स. The pigments are used in paint formulation to carry out one or more of the following tasks: to provide color, to hide substructures and obliterate previous colors, to improve the strength of the paint film, to improve the adhesion of the paint film, to reduce gloss, to reduce cost. All these are the different functions of pigments. Next students, we have the solved exercise. Question number 1. Correct answer is the speed of light in air is 300,000 km per second. Part B, refraction of light. Light waves travel at a speed of about 300,000 km per second in air, but they slow down when they enter another transparent material such as water or glass. If a ray of light meets the new material at an angle, it bends. This bending of light is called refraction. Question number C. The ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to the speed of light in the material is called the refractive index of the material. So refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in material. So it is the same as I told you earlier. Question number D, speed of light in material. Refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. 1.33 is equal to 300,000 divided by question mark. Question mark is equal to 300,000 divided by 1.33. So speed of light in medium is equal to 2,25,000 km per second, which is the medium is, and the medium is water. Question number E, this happens because light bends as it passes from one transparent material to another. A ray of light is always refracted in a definite direction. As light passes from water to air, it bends away from the normal. As light goes into a denser material, it bends towards the normal. Next question, part F. Glass prisms can act like perfect mirrors if light rays strike an inside face at an angle greater than its critical angle. What is internal reflection? Critical angle is defined as the angle of incidence that provides an angle of refraction that is of 90 degrees above which all the light is reflected and total internal reflection occurs. When the angle of incidence inside a glass block increases from 35 to 50 degrees, at 35 degrees most of the light gets out of the glass with just a small part being reflected. At about 42 degrees the reflected ray just gets out of the block, but much more of the light is being reflected. This is the critical angle. At angles greater than 42 degrees, all the light is reflected. This is called the total internal reflection. So here we have the picture. In question number 2, show by a diagram how total internal reflection of prisms is used in periscopes. Question number 3 is about what is optical fiber and what are optical fibers used for. So here first of all we have the definition, then the explanation of optical fibers. Optical fibers are thin fibers of glass through which light can pass. They are bundled together and used as light pipe. Light hits the sides of the fibers at an angle greater than the critical angle. All the light is reflected and it emerges from the other end of the fibers almost as bright as when it went in. Optical fibers can be used in inspection inside machines, even inside the human body. Optical fibers can carry coded signals as pulses of light from a laser. They can be changed into electrical signals at the receiving end. They are used to transmit telephone signals. Next, question number 4, draw a diagram to show the dispersion of white light into spectrum. So students, here we have this picture. It is also present in your book. This topic is dispersion of light, lesson number 10. Question number 5, which color has red? So answer is part A, red, and B is blue. Question number 6, why does a sunflower look yellow and its leaves green? What color would the green leaves of a plant look through a red filter? If we look at it in red light, it will look black. This is because there is no green light to reflect. The petals reflect yellow light and leaves reflect green light. Question number 7, filling the table to show what color we would get when we mix. Primary colors are white, yellow, magenta, cane, and primary pigments are green, purple, and orange. Next students, we have the worksheet. Fill in the blanks. So this picture, this shows the waves can pass through the object. This shows the waves can be reflected off the object. This shows that the waves can be scattered off the object. This picture shows the waves can be observed by the object, and this picture shows the waves can be reflected through the object. In the last, we have this picture of glass prism. When sunlight enters into it, it splits into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet color. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.